Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions. There are different types of chemical reactions. The most common ones are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. Now let's learn more about combination reaction. A reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called combination reaction. Here, two or more substances combine to form a single substance. One example is given here. When A and B combine together, we will get AB. AB is a single substance. In the above reaction, the combination of substances A and B takes place to give a molecule of a new substance AB. An activity is given in your textbook in order to demonstrate a combination reaction between two elements. Take a magnesium ribbon and hold it with a tongue and heat it in the air as shown in the picture. Now, plunge it into the gas jar containing oxygen gas. Here, the jar containing oxygen gas and the magnesium ribbon is placed into the oxygen gas jar. You will observe that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white light and produces white powder, which is magnesium oxide. Here, the reaction can be represented as 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. 2MgO. MgO is a white colored powder. That is magnesium oxide. In combination reactions, two elements combine to form a compound. That is known as synthesis reaction. When two elements combine to form a compound, it is known as synthesis reaction. Some examples are given in your textbook. When iron and sulfur both are in elemental state are heated together, they combine to form a compound, that is iron sulfide. Here we can see the chemical equation. Fe plus S in presence of heat gives iron sulfide, that is FeS. It is a compound. And the second example is carbon burns in oxygen to form a gaseous compound, that is carbon dioxide. The chemical equation is C plus O2 in presence of heat gives CO2 plus heat. Here, this heat indicates heat is evolved during this reaction. So, this is an exothermic reaction. The second type of combination reaction is that in which an element and a compound combines together to give one product. Example, carbon monoxide is a compound. It burns in the presence of oxygen. It is an element to form a single product, that is carbon dioxide. The chemical equation is 2CO, that is gas and that is a compound. When it reacts in presence of oxygen and heat, we will get 2CO2, that is carbon dioxide. It is a single product and it is another compound. Now the third type of combination reaction in which two or more compounds can combine to form a single product. Here, two or more compound combines together to form a single product. Example, ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Both of them are compounds. Combine to form a compound, that is ammonium chloride. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. NH4Cl is the molecular formula of ammonium chloride and it is another compound. When two or more compounds combine together, we will get another compound. An activity is given in your textbook to demonstrate a combination reaction between two compounds. Take a wide glass tube as shown in this picture. Fix a cotton soaked in hydrochloric acid at the right end of the tube and a cotton soaked in ammonia at the left end of the tube. After few minutes, you will observe a white ring in the test tube which is of ammonium chloride formed due to the combination of ammonia and hydrogen chloride gases. Here in this picture you can see the ring is nearer to the cotton soaked in acid as ammonia moves faster than hydrogen chloride. Some more examples of a combination reaction are as follows. First one, PCl3 plus Cl2, that is phosphorus trichloride plus chlorine. On heating we will get PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride. Second example, SO2, that is sulfur dioxide plus water, will get H2SO3, that is sulfurous acid. On combination of nitrogen pentoxide and water, we will get HNO3, that is nitric acid. Calcium oxide and water combine to form calcium hydroxide.